a 1951 Ford F1 pickup truck. So, brakes. Yeah, that's what we're doing, new brake lines. So I've already pulled the old lines. I have them set aside. I've pulled that coil of copper over nickel brake line through the block there. I just drilled a hole same size as the brake line so I could straighten it out. Now I'm cutting it to length. Just a little pipe cutter. So now I'm just trying to make sure that the two lines are identical, and it looks like I'm pretty close. Any further adjustment I can do once I mount it in place. So yeah, I got the back angle there. It's about the same. Yep. All right. Now, time to crimp the ends. Make sure they fit. I said crimp the end. I mean flare the end with the brake flaring tool. Well, first I'm gonna kind of rebend it, line it up, and then I'll put on the fitting, because you don't want to flare it and forget the fitting. That happens regular. Ask me how I know. So anyway, yeah, just gonna bend it up here a little bit, get it to fit in where it needs to be. Well, it looks good. And then, yeah, and then we flare it. It pays to spend a little bit of time getting the angle just right and lining it up pretty good to get into that fitting before you flare it and put on the fitting itself, because the fitting can inhibit you being able to bend that short little space. So that's what I'm doing, lining them up, and then we'll flare the end.
Yeah.
So yeah, a little bit of time.
Now just don't mess
Saves
up
you
flaring it.
ass pain later on.
So, brake lines are new. Well, that one's, the rubber one's not new, but it will be as soon as I get it. But I made new metal lines. Finished project. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Run on back there through the frame and support. Sorry about the bright light. And then back on this side, same thing, through, comes up right there and finishes right there. So, new brake lines. Take a look underneath the truck too. See what I did. New master cylinder. And master cylinder and proportion valve. So, yeah, there you go. New dual master cylinder. And underneath, proportioning valve right there with brake switch. Haven't wired that up yet. The wires aren't long enough, but they're close. That's it right there. Can you see it? Oh, nope. How about right there? Right. Cha. That's as far as she goes. She don't reach to right. Cha. And I want to come through like the rest of the wires in the line right there. So that's from the front left. That's the rear going in the back. The proportion valve front left. Front right. Right there. I think we might have to drill into the, yeah, because that's the old access to get to your brake fluid, and it doesn't make it to the rear. I mean, I guess you could use a funnel. Take a look from the top. But also, popping that, I think this is gonna hit. I can pop it, but there's a, I don't know if you can see, but there's a bolt. Blocking the light. It's dragging right here. There's a bolt right there in the way. That's part of mounting the brake and the clutch. So I had to build my own little mounting bracket under here for this. It comes with one, but it's designed for GM, I believe, brake master cylinder with 2 holes. This is the original Ford 3-hole, like a Mustang master cylinder. But there it is all in. For now, it's not finished because I have to, it's all mounted. I built the brake lines. I have to take them off, take the master cylinder off, bench bleed the master cylinder, and then mount it all up again and put it together. I haven't put together the brake pedal yet either, so that's right there hanging. But it's the original, it'll be an original piece that goes right back in there, which is kind of cool. So we'll have safer brakes because we've got 2 reservoirs, and we got disc brakes up front, fresh new brake lines, so I don't have to worry about 75-year-old brake lines, 73, whatever it is. And yeah, they're in. And there you go. Let's see, all the way down the frame, nice and neat on the rears. The only thing I didn't do is the rear axle brake lines, and I don't know. I may not. Time will tell. I'll let you know. Yeah, so there's the access to the brakes. You can see, sort of, that you can get in there. But the back is more difficult. Front's easy, back. Although, like I said, you can put a funnel in there. Yeah, you can put a funnel in there and get to it probably. But, yeah, anyway, that's the issue. You can get to the front fine, the rear will be a problem. Thanks for watching. Come back and see where we go with Rusty James next. Thanks. Bye.